Do you want to know more about Angeles City? Then going to these places will surely make you fall in love here. Our first destination would be at Holy Rosary Church, also known as Santo Rosario Church, located near Holy Angel University. It is a beautiful church with two tall towers and a castle-like structure used for worship. Also, this church existed since the Spanish era, which means it was filled with a lot of history and mystery. Next destination, Air Force City, Clark. It's an outdoor museum consisting of multiple propeller planes, jets, and helicopters used by the Americans who stayed in Angeles City. This place was also near to barracks where American troops and soldiers stayed, which pays tribute to these soldiers once lived. Want to have fun activities with your kids? Also with grown-ups? Then, Zucobia Fun Zoo would be a perfect place for you, your family, and also friends. It has gravity car racing, pony rides, super extreme rides, Superman-style zip lining, and a huge garden maze. Let us embrace the history, not only of Angeles City, but the entire Philippines as we go to the Nayong Filipino, Clark. Churches, Itos Village, and many more, where you can witness different traditional dances and cultural shows. After a long stressful day, you deserve to relax at the Puning Hot Spring. There are multiple hot spring pools and bungalows surrounded by the mountain and planted palm trees, which will help you relax, detox your system, and purify your skin. Do not forget to taste the original cuisine offered by the Kapampangans, which is the original sisig at Aling Lusing's. This restaurant in Angeles City must be included in your bucket list because nothing beats the original sisig.